Hi everyone, in today's tutorial, we will cover the field series in Excel, a feature that helps you to quickly fill values or data in seconds. To start, let's say you want to fill a series of numbers in column A, maybe from 1 to 18,000. Doing this manually can be a bit time consuming and tedious. Also, if you opt to use the drag feature, still not the best option. So that's where the fill series comes in to help you out. So to start, uh, type your number there in cell A2, okay? Then under home tab, go to fill icon, click on it, then series, then we want to fill column A, so we shift to columns here, then linear. Please note the other icons, growth dates, we shall use later in the tutorial. So for now, click linear and then add the step value. This is the number you want to go up by. It's like when you're climbing a staircase, you may want to climb one staircase at a time, two, depending on your preference. So at this point, uh, we want to go up by one value at a time. Then the stock value will be 18,000. Then click OK. So let's confirm whether we got it right. Press Ctrl and down arrow key. There you go. You can see our stock value is 18,000. So that's how you go about it. Next, I'd like to show you how to do a date series. You follow the same steps. So let's put today's date, which is 5th of November 2022. I want us to put a series of dates for a period of 1 year. So what you do, under home tab, go to fill icon, then series, then columns, then date, then at date unit, click date. Our step value remains 1, and then our stop value will be 4th of November 2023. Then click OK. So let's confirm. Our last day is 4th of November 2023. Another thing you can do in the field series, you can track growth of your data. Let's use sample data here, like 2 and 8. Then we track the growth downwards. Please note, while using the growth field series, you have to select cells up to where you want your stop value to be. Then once you're done selecting, go to fill, then series, then columns, then growth. Click OK. There you go. You can see the growth in values from one cell to another. Another thing you can do in the field series is when you want to maintain a certain trend in your data. So let's use sample data here of 3, 6, 9, whereby our values are going up by 3. Okay, so you want to maintain the same trend. So what you do, select the cells down below up to where you want your stop value to be. Okay, once you're done selecting, go to fill, then series, then click trend, then OK. There you go. You can see our values are going up by 3 numbers at a time because it has maintained the trend that we set up here. So that's it about field series. If you found this tutorial quite helpful, kindly subscribe to our channel, leave a comment down below, like, share, and hit the notification bell to be notified every time we upload a new video. Bye.